The worst financial crisis
The
in
Treasury
2008
Department,
financial
the central
crisis.
bank.
After the 2008 financial crisis, technology was at the forefront to pioneer the new world of cryptocurrencies. Let's get to it. So, the first ever cryptocurrency was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, called Bitcoin. And as of today, we have thousands of them, thousands of cryptocurrencies. But they all do have one thing in common, okay? They are all digital currencies that can be used online for goods and services. So, you need an online wallet with a security key where you can store your cryptocurrency as tokens. And they are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Now, the decentralization of these currencies removes all the power from the banks and financial institutions who would normally oversee a transaction between me and you.